Okay, now let's do something interesting. Actually, I need your response. How much you have learned that I need to see. So, see the sentence. I have written a sentence in interrogative active form, that is, did he sell the silver pot? So, did he sell? It is interrogative. At the same time, it is active, that is clear to you. Now, what is the next step? I have told you. The next step is to transform this sentence to assertive, interrogative to assertive. Now, if you are going to make it assertive, then what will come first? In interrogative sentence, see what is in the beginning? Yes, the do verb, the auxiliary verb did. In assertive, what will come first? Tell me. Yes, those who have told the subject or the doer, you are right. He is the subject or the doer. So it will be he. And after that, the function of the verb. So tell me what verb will be placed here. See the verb did and sell. So did sell will come together and did sell will become together what? Yes, sold. SOLD, the past form. In the first sentence, it was did sell, but in the second sentence, it will become sold. So he sold what? The silver pot. So the assertive sentence is done. Now let us make it what? Passive. Yes. And to make it passive, what will come first? The object. So he sold what? The silver pot. It is the object. It will come first. The silver pot. Now I will not tell you the verb form. You will tell me. Check the tense first. What tense? Past tense. So what will be the verb form here? The silver pot what? Is or was? Yes, it will be was, past tense. So was. And then the third form of the verb. The verb is used here, past form sold. And the third form is also sold. Yes. So sold. The silver pot was sold by whom? He will become him. So passive is done. Now let us make interrogative passive the most important part and the answer also. So to make it interrogative passive, what you have to do? We have already made it passive. The silver pot was sold. So what you will have to do? Yes, you have to bring this was before the subject. So what we will put here? Was. Yes, was. Was the silver pot. Now what I have written? Sold. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Sold will remain sold. Only was will change its position and it will come in the beginning. So the answer is, was the silver pot sold by him? Now am I completely right? I think no. What is left yet? Yes, there will be a question mark. Otherwise our answer will be incomplete and wrong. So I hope it's clear to you. Now let us come to the next example. Again another interrogative active. Is the bird building a nest? So interrogative sentence, let us make it assertive first. If you are making it assertive, what will come first? Yes, the subject. Who is the subject? Yes, the bird. So the bird. Now see what verb I have taken here. Is building separately written. Here it will come together. Is building a nest. And let us make it passive now. Passive means the object. What is the object? Building what? A nest. A nest is the object. Now it is, check the tense. I will not tell you. But tell me the tense. Is building. What tense? Yes, present continuous. So if it is present continuous, is already there and after a nest, is will be only used. But one more be verb is required. What be verb? Tell me, continuous tense. Being, yes, be. Why ing is added here? This ing will be added to the verb be. And so being. And after that, build will become what? Yes, third form, built. A nest is being built by whom? The bird. So final answer interrogative passive. He will tell me the answer. Achha, now see the function of the verb. See the verb is being built. So what will come first? Yes, is will come in the beginning. Is. Next, a nest will remain a nest. Now what is left? Is I have taken here. So what is left? Being built. So we will write being built in this place. So the answer is a nest being built by the bird? Okay, question mark I have put. Yes, I have put. That means I am right. Okay, children. Hope you have understood. Now you will practice on your own. Thank you.